Big story coming in all the way from Bengal. Bengali actor Payal Mukherjee has been targeted. She shares her ordeal on social media. Payal Mukherjee was attacked by miscreants, bike-borne miscreants. As you can see in those visuals, attack the actor in Kolkata. Assailants vandalized Payal Mukherjee's car and she had to take to social media to describe her ordeal. The accused in the concerned case have now been taken into arrest by the Kolkata police.
Hello. আমি লাইভে সেভাবে আসি না আজকে আমি একটা জিনিস দেখাতে আমি যে কালপ্রিট তাকেও দেখাবো আই ওয়াজ ড্রাইভিং অ্যান্ড সি কলকাতার সাদার্ন অ্যাভিনিউতে 27A এটার সামনে আমি রয়েছে এই মুহূর্তে পুলিশও এসেছে ছেলেটিকে ধরা হয়েছে ওখানে তার বাইকটা রয়েছে প্রচুর লোকজন এখানে রয়েছে এবং কলকাতা শহরে আজকে আমি এই কারণেই এলাম লাইভে আমরা এত কিছু প্রোটেস্ট করছি এত কিছু চলছে তার মধ্যেও একটি মেয়ের মিনিমাম নিরাপত্তা বোধহয় আজকের ডেটে আমাদের এখানে নেই এবং আমি সেই কারণেই এলাম বাইকটা আমার গাড়িতে রাদার ওর টাচ হয়েছে হওয়াতে ও এসে আমাকে আই ওয়াজ ড্রাইভিং আমাকে এসে নক করে আমি একটু কাজ নামাই এবং আমাকে বলে যে
When I was driving the car on the Southern Avenue in Kolkata, that time my car just started his bike and he suddenly chased me, started chasing me. He shouted on me and asked me to stop, and when I didn't, because he was asking me to open the door, but I couldn't open the door as there was a security concern, and I was very concerned about my security on the street as a woman. Then he started chasing and intercepted me near Southern Avenue. And he has broken the glass of my car. He has broken the glass of my car. You can see. Now I want to raise the question: what is the security of women on the street of Kolkata?
Rajesh Shah joining me for more on this. Rajesh, do we know the motive behind the attack on the actor?
Well, this is of course another incident of woman harassment which has taken place on the street of Kolkata last night. And the police has arrested the accused and he has confessed before the police that he has done all these things just because of his grudge, because he is alleging the car of the Bengali actress hit his bike at first, and since then the altercation taking place. And when when the actress's car hit his bike, he asked the actress to stop immediately, but the actress didn't stop her car. And since then, he was shouting on the actress. He was shouting on the actress and asked her to stop the car. But when she didn't, then the man, the rider, the bike rider, intercepted the car forcefully near Southern Avenue, near the Jodhpur Park, which is in South Kolkata, and he punched on the car and broke the glass of this car of Bengali actress Payal Mukherjee. And he allegedly outraged her modesty, and since then Payal Mukherjee started Facebook Live from her Facebook profile, and following which Kolkata police got the information from social media. And also the on-duty police personnel who was standing in front of Jodhpur Park noticed the whole thing, the whole matter, and immediately a force from Kolkata police headquarters, also from Taliban police station, rushed to the spot and intercepted the biker who is accused, and who is also a junior commissioned officer working in Comment Hospital, which is Army Hospital in Kolkata. And he has been arrested, and he has also submitted another complaint against Bengali actress Payal Mukherjee, and he has been arrested by Taliban police station, and Kolkata police currently probing both the case. One is submitted and lodged by Bengali actress Payal Mukherjee, and another case has been lodged by the arrested accused, the junior commissioned officer working in Army Hospital in Kolkata.
Right. Other injuries, if you could just tell us a little bit more about the nature of those injuries, what kind of medical attention has been given to her?
See, the glass of the car was broken, and the Bengali actress got little bit injuries on her hand, on her right hand, and we saw that there was a bleeding from her right hand, and she was taken to hospital for her primary treatment, and yes, she has been discharged after being treatment at the local hospital.
Okay, Rajesh, thank you so much for bringing us all those details. We hope that Payal is able to recover very soon, and the strictest action be taken, especially at a time when Kolkata is looking at fierce protests with regards to women's safety.